Good morning, students. Last day I have explained you the importance of the salt, and also I have told you in domestic uses many compounds are made up by using the salt, and some of the important compounds are bleaching powder, washing soda, baking soda, etc. So today we'll discuss some of the important compound made up by the salt. First, the chlorine gas is produced by the electrolysis of aqueous solutions of sodium chloride, that is brine solution. Chlorine gas is produces. This chlorine gas, when over the sacked line, then what is producing? That is producing the bleaching powder along with the water. Let me explain you with the chemical equation. This is the formula of the sacked line CaOH2. When chlorine gas is passed over the sacked line, it is producing CaOCl2 plus H2O. This CaOCl2 is a chemical formula for the bleaching powder. Bleaching powder, there are many important uses of the bleaching powder. First, it is using by the bleaching the cotton and linen industry for bleaching wood pulp in paper factory. Also, the bleaching powder are using as an oxidizing agent in many chemical industry. Bleaching powder, one of the most important uses is the purifying the drinking water by killing the germs. So this bleaching powder have a variety of the uses in our daily life. Now you come to the second compound made up by the salt, that is the baking soda. The baking soda commonly we are using in the kitchen to making the tasty crispy pakoras as is baking. Sometimes the baking soda are used for the faster cooking. Suppose anything you cook and want to make it faster to time saving, then we will add a little quantity of the baking powder on the food or the article which we are going to be prepared. Now you see how the baking soda is made up. This is the sodium chloride, means common salt. We'll mix up with the water, that is the brine solution. Over the brine solution, when ammonia and carbon dioxide gases is passing, it is producing the ammonium chloride, NH4Cl2Cl plus NaHCO3, that is the sodium hydrogen carbonate. This sodium hydrogen carbonate is only the baking soda. It is only the baking soda. So baking soda, it is also used as a mild base. Simply baking soda, if you use when you feel some uneasy and heavy eating, after that the sourness is coming in your mouth, then if you add the baking soda, it is a mild base. As I have told, the antacid tablet we are taking, ENO powder we are taking. The ENO powder main raw component what? Raw component of the ENO powder is the baking soda only. So you can use one pinch of the baking soda along with the water, then it will be relief from the acidity. So baking soda it is using for the baking powder also. I think you have heard the name of the baking powder, which is a mixture of the baking soda, baking powder. Now baking powder is also having the many important uses. The baking powder is a good antacid. It is also a antacid, baking powder. Baking soda and baking powder, both are the antacid. And baking soda is also used for the soda acid fire extinguisher. You have read the soda acid fire extinguisher. There are different types of the fire extinguisher. Out of that, soda acid fire extinguisher is one of them, in which the raw materials is present in soda acid fire extinguisher, and the acid is present. When you just heat, then it will mix up and the foams will come, and it will be safe for the accidents of the firing. So today you will read only the importance of the bleaching powder and the baking soda and how they are prepared. Have a good day. Thank you.